Right, now then everyone. Right, we're finally getting on with our harvest. What are we now? The 17th of September. We started yesterday, 16th. We did some spring barley and some wheat. I got bailed up behind the combine last night by about 7 o'clock. And yeah, got a New Holland TX 63 combining with a 17-foot header. And we've also got our latest purchase going in here, a little square baler. What I'll do in a minute or two, I might try and get a bit of footage of that working. See, I think Boss Man will love it. He's driving that today. Look, we've not got a flat 8 sledge yet. So I'm just at the minute, I'm just tidying up headlands, so make it a bit easier for little baler. Yeah, the spring barley yesterday, it would do, we're guessing it'll have done 2.5 ton to acre. Straw wise wasn't brilliant. It did three bales to the acre, 4 foot 6 bales. Lovely bit of straw though, really nice clean straw. The baler's been going really well. Netrap hasn't had any issues yet. Touch wood. Hopefully it stays like that. If it keeps going like it is, I'll be a happy man. So numbers wise, spring barley we did 53, and in some spring wheat, I think it was spring wheat. No, it was winter wheat, but it didn't come very well. There was only, well, spring barley was 16 acre and got 53 bales. And the bit of wheat, I think there was only 23 off there on 8 acre. The combine is actually in the same field, it's just over there. The only problem with the little baler is the swaths are a little bit wide for it. It's just leaving a little bit up the fields. you enjoyed that quick look at the new purchase, the New Holland 377 conventional baler. That was a boss man who was driving it. He's been in his bloody element today with that. I think he made just over 400 bales with that. Like a kid with a new toy today. So I've moved from that field where we were. That was at the main farm. I'm now up at farm 2 now. The combine is in a field of spring barley just behind me.
It is a Friday.
He's on his third time round that field. It's about 9 acre, 8-9 acres. We've got a bit of nice straw. The only problem is we haven't got a lot of it. Yields have been quite down actually. I mean, before the crops were cut, they looked pretty good. And, yeah, there's not a vast amount of straw at all. I'm not sure what these wheat fields are yielding in corn wise. I don't know, so I'm not carting today. Making it very light, easy work for the baler anyway. These crops, it's not having to work over hard. Right, this is the last little row in this field. This is one we all cropped. You'll see it on the all cropping video. We all cropped a lump of this because it had black grass in it. So just a few acre left, I don't know, 5 acre, 4 or 5 acre left in it. Tidy a couple of little bits up. We'll move on down where the combine is. looks like he's on his fourth time round this field now. This is spring barley, so there won't be a lot of straw in this one either. Right, so right, spring barley. Yeah, there's not a lot of it. It's taking a while to make a bale. It's piss poor, really. I don't think I'll get 10 bales in this field. Joe, yeah, bloody sun's right in your eye line now. Yeah, 8 acre I am it is. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7 in the. Number 7's in. Yeah, I might get 10 if I'm lucky. Another 100 yards and we'll have another bale, I think. Three, four, five, 6, 7. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bales. I might get 9 bales in here. Bale an acre. Bale and Acre, Record Records that. That's raw. We're going to get another bale anyway. Ready for Marty. Right, last 200 yards. Then round to where the combine is. I'm getting a feeling now I won't be able to do much more. The sun's on its way down. So I hope you've enjoyed this one, and we shall catch you on the next one.